In this video, I'm going to show you how you can improve the performance of your mobile device while using Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you are experiencing lags on your smartphone when you are on Roblox or when you are interacting with Roblox experience and games, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and enhance performance. The best way to enhance performance of Roblox on your phone is to go ahead and reduce motion effects. To do this is quite simple. Just go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then head to more here. Now from more, go ahead and choose settings, and then under settings, look for the option called device preferences. Now if you tap on this, you will be taken to this device performance page, and here you can now control various aspects, and one of them is reduce motion, and you can see here it is. So if you go ahead and reduce motion, now you will have the best performance of your phone or of your gadget while you are using Roblox. So that's how you can enhance performance of your device while using Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.